Good morning students. Today we are going to say about the topic is rocks and soils, geography. Okay, rocks and soils. In this lesson we learned about something. What is this? The first one is to understand the nature of rocks, their types and uses. And the second one to learn to identify the different types of rocks. Rocks and soils. Have you ever noticed any mountains or rocks nearby your location or during your travel? Have you ever been to any hill station during your vacation? Do you know how they originated on the earth's surface? Do you know what kinds of material are used in the construction of temples, buildings, roads, flyovers, etc.? In this lesson, we will learn about rocks and soil. The next is rock. The rocks are the solid minerals materials forming a part of the surface of the Earth and other similar planets. The Earth crust is composed of rocks. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. Rock is an important natural resource and is found in solid state. It may be hard or soft in nature. An estimation reveals that there are 2,000 different types of minerals found on the earth surface, out of which only 12 are the basic minerals commonly found all over the earth. Minerals are chemical substances which exist in nature. They may occur either in the form of elements or components. The rocks divided into the three types. The first one is the igneous rocks. The second one is the sedimentary rocks. And the third one is metamorphic rocks. Okay, now we are going to see about the first one, igneous rocks. What is the igneous rocks? What are the types of igneous rocks? The igneous rocks divided into two types. The first one is intrusive rocks and the second one is extrusive igneous rocks. First, what is igneous rocks? The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. These rocks are also called as the primary rocks or parent rocks, as all other rocks are formed from these rocks. And the next one is characteristics of igneous rocks. These rocks are hard in nature. These rocks are useful for construction works. And the next we divide it into two types of igneous rocks. The first one is extrusive igneous rocks. The second one is intrusive igneous rocks. The first, we are going to say about the extrusive igneous rocks. Can you visualize the lava comes up from the volcano? Lava is actually a fiery red molten magma. Comes out from the interior of the earth on its surface. After reaching the earth's surface of molten materials, get solidified and form rocks. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. These rocks are fine-grained and glassy in nature due to rapid solidification. Next one is intrusive igneous rocks. The molten magma sometimes cools down deep inside the earth crust and becomes solid. The rocks formed this way is called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Intrusive igneous rocks are of two types. The deep-seated rocks are called plutonic rocks and the one formed at shallow depths are called hypocele rocks. Okay children, now we recall what are the things we learned about in this topic. We see the rocks divided into three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. And we see about the only one topic, igneous rocks. Igneous rocks divided into two types, extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks. Okay children, now we see the next topic of sedimentary rocks in next class. Okay, thank you.